Right then everybody, so this is your Marcelo Monreal hand manipulation tutorial. Okay, I'm just going to switch to camera mode now. So there you can see I've printed out a photo of my portrait shoot. Okay, if you don't have access to a printer, you can use any found image of a person that you would like. And I've also printed out some images of flowers, which I've already cut out because it took me a little bit of time to do. You could find any images you wanted to incorporate into this. It does not have to be flowers. It could be food, it could be gadgets, it could be words. It's really up to you, okay? I've just gone with flowers because that's what Marcelo Monreal does. And I quite like the use of really bright flowers against this quite dark portrait that we've got. So the first thing we've got to do is decide how much of the face we're actually going to remove. So what Marcelo Monreal does is he makes it look as if objects are coming out from behind the face. Okay, sometimes he takes out just little sections. Sometimes he will take out the entire face and move it slightly to put other objects behind it. Okay, so on this occasion I'm going to take the vast majority of the face out. So I'm going to draw an oval around the part that I actually want to remove. Okay, so I'm going to do that part there, so leaving a tiny part of the edge of my face but going right up to this cheek here. Now, it would be easier with a craft knife to do this, but if you don't have a craft knife, don't worry. You can use scissors. I'm just going to very, very carefully add a little snip first, just by folding over my page, like so. Okay. Once I've done that, then I can use my scissors to just carefully, as best as you can, cut around the shape that you have created. Okay. So trying to keep it as neat as possible. There we go. Okay. So you can see there, I've got a hole where my face would be, and I've got my cut out face. Okay. Now, what might be quite nice for you to do is think about what background you're actually going to have behind this, because it might slightly show through. You could colour it in with felt tip, or you could use other images, but that's up to you. And then all I'm going to do is, with my pre-cut out flowers, is I'm going to arrange them behind my portraits and decide where I would like them all to go. So I'm just placing them in different locations. I think that them ones are going to be slightly too big, them sunflowers, but you would only know that once you've actually played around with it. Okay, so something like that would work quite nicely. I can still see that it's part of the portrait. Okay, you might want to, when you glue this down, actually shade in a little shadow, or you could actually just take a photo of this setup and do it that way. You don't actually need to glue it down at all. So that is my Marcelo Monreal style edit. Okay, have fun with this, try out different shapes. Maybe cut out half the face, maybe split it in two so it looks like it's sort of like coming apart from the seams. Try different objects coming from behind it. There's lots and lots of variations that you can do on this. Okay, good luck everybody.